my channel. It's your girl Logan the Empress here, and I'm doing a summer glam look for you today, honey. Before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you can get notifications next time I do another sledge. Oh. Alright guys, if you like this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, I want to start off with Makeup Revolution, and what I'm doing is shaping my brows. I'm using this to carve out the shape of my brows. I already have them shaped, but I want it to be just, you know, a little bit more cleaner, and I want the end of my brows to be super sharp and the look of my brows to be nice and crisp. I say crisp. I don't know why I say crisp. That doesn't make any sense. And I'm just finishing carving out the shape of my brows, carving out the end of it. And now I'm going to bring that same concealer down on my eyelid, because I like to prime my eyelid with concealer sometimes, not all the time. So I'm just priming my eyelid, and now I'm just going to push that product into my skin, making sure that it's nice and even. And now I'm going to go in and set it. I've never used this before. It's called Airspun Translucent Powder. I got it from Walmart. I'm just going to set my eyes with this. I'm going to put it under my eyes as well, so that it'll be easier to clean up my makeup after I apply shadow. Let's get into the Back to Brazil. Yeah. Palette, and boom! These colors are so vibrant. I'm going to use the lightest color first, and this is the lightest yellow, and I'm going to go ahead and put that under my brow. I want to do a nice like gradient look. And the first color I'm going to start with is the lightest color in the palette. And so I'm just going to pack this in. And so I went into the palette like 700 different times to pack this color in right under my brow so that I have a nice vibrant look. And the next color I'm going to go is the second lightest yellow in the palette. And again, I'm going under my brow, but bringing it down a teeny bit and going right above my crease. Anything that goes into my crease will be wiped away, because I am doing a cut crease for you today, honey. Yes. And so I'm just applying that, and you can see the transition from the lightest yellow to a little bit darker. And this is the darkest yellow in the palette that I'm going to now. And I'm going to place this thickly, and this yellow does seem to show up and have a little bit more color payoff than the other two yellows, and I guess that would make sense because it is the darkest yellow in the palette. So I'm just applying this, and if you will notice, I'm applying it in the corner of my eye. While I'm going to do a cut crease, I am going to have the corner of my eye not crease. It's going to be straight, I guess. And now I'm going into the orange that's in the palette, and I'm going to put that right at the bridge of my, right above my crease and around my crease, and just really concentrating though on the outer corner of my crease. Those bricks are way too high. You need to cut it. Now I'm going to cut the crease. And you have to move, like for me, other people might can do it, but I like to go very slow when I'm cutting my crease because I do have hooded eyes. That's one. And now I am starting to cut my crease above where my cut crease should be, giving me like more of an area to work with because I have hooded eyes and small eyes. So I'm really like at a disadvantage, but honey, nobody holds your girl down. So I'm going above where my cut crease should be to make this look flawless for the summer for your honey. Now I'm going to go back to the darkest yellow that there is in the palette, and I'm going to place this in the inner corner of my eye. That's going to be the staple of the cut crease of this look, honey. And so I'm just picking up more of the eyeshadow and pressing it into my eye, pressing it into that shape because I really want this shadow to follow the roundness and the shape of the cut crease. Now I'm going into this almost like neon pink shade, and I'm going to press that in, pack it in, and I'm going to use that on the outer V of my eye. And so because it is like, it's this very brilliant color when you first start, it just comes on, unfortunately, not so strong. So you have to keep building the color up. And that's what I'm doing here. So you're just going to see me continuously build that color up so that I can get a nice, vibrant look because it is a summer look. Yes, now let's go back into that same orange that I used earlier, and it's like a neon type orange as well. And I'm going to put this in the center, and as you'll notice as I'm applying this to the center, I'm really trying to blend this in with the pink and with the yellow because what I want to do is erase all the lines and have a nice blended look. So I'm just going to keep going back and forth trying to mix that pink and that orange together. And now I'm going to cut the film and go do the rest of my makeup. Here I am back. I've did my foundation, put on some lashes, and I'm going to go under my eye with the Sephora under eyeliner. It's waterproof. I love this eyeliner. It goes on smooth. This is, I think, their second attempt at this. The first one wasn't that good. And under my eye, I'm going to first go in with this purple. And I'm going to apply this to my waterline, and then under the purple I'm going to apply that same orange. And what I'm doing is like trying to give my eye almost like a little highlighted effect, not really going for a smoky eye because again this is a summer look. And on my brow bone I'm applying this white and it's a shimmer shade, but it does have a undertone of pink. I don't know if you can see it so well in terms of the pinkish undertone, but it goes on really nice and smooth. And I actually, while I was filming this, I was like, oh my God, this is showing up so well. And I'm going to do my tear ducts. I'm going to do under my brow bone. And now I'm going to go into highlighting, and this is my birthday gift from Ulta. It's NARS Orgasm, and I'm like, go ahead, Ulta. I mean, this is a great birthday gift, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, and of course, I'm going to do the tip of my lips. I'm going to do the tip of my nose, and I'm going to do the bridge of my nose, and I'm loving this shade. And I'm going to do my tear ducts just to give this look an added effect. And so this is Pure Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm so sorry, I don't know what happened to the footage of me applying that. And this gorgeous lip gloss that I'm applying, shimmery lip gloss, is Lorax Angel, but I've never been one of those. I hope that you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Give this video a big thumbs up and see you guys next time. Bye!